Hello! Today we will learn how to implement interactivity on our dashboards. So, what is interactivity? Let's see the cars application, and I'll go into analysis of cars. Now, we have all these dashboards, but they are interactive. So, if I, for example, want to find out what Zoe Roberts diesel cars we have, so then I'll just filter by diesel cars, and then I filter by Zoe, and I have a list of a truck, Volkswagen T4, which is a diesel car owned by Zoe Roberts. So what is this interactivity? It's a basically graphic representation of a drill through data in our system. This is a fantastic feature we have. So instead of going through all these tables in Excel, you just very quickly, even on your mobile, can drill through and find what you want using these charts. So I'll go now to show you a different application, because the same interactivity you can apply to the dashboard. So in lunchtime, for example, if I again drill through the data, let's pick a Dong Do restaurant and Zoe Roberts, then I can see that she did 2 orders in a Q3 and a Q4. So again, this would be this drilling through the data. Now, how to do it? And the funny thing is, it's really easy. So if you, I'll go now to the office, because recently we have, in another tutorial, we have created a new dashboard. So the new dashboard is now looking like this, but it doesn't have any interactivity applied. So what I will do now, I will apply interactivity to this dashboard. So to do it, we go inside the forms again in here to this new dashboard, and we go into the forms. So you can see these charts and the list. What I want to do, I want to bind the data together, so this narrowing the data is working. So I start with the first chart, and the chart is based on a list of the incoming letters. The only thing I really need to do is to bind this chart with this chart. So I'll do it in here by using these conditions, and I will add the condition. It applies to the document date on this chart. So in, and in here, I will use by an incoming monthly. Right, so I bind this chart with the document date from this chart. Now I'll do it opposite now. So in here, I will bind now the department from this chart in here again, in the incoming by department. As you can see, I use this mentioning system, which is very easy and allows us to not to use any code. So I don't have to write all these select statements now to drill through the database. I will just use this mentioning. So we have binded these 2 charts together. Now I want to do the same with the list, but the list actually is a list of all incoming documents. So I want to now bind it with both. So I'll do add, and I'll do the same thing, that I will add document date in the chart incoming monthly, and I will add another one where I will bind department in here variable, and again the incoming by department. Yeah, so we have binded all the data here together. Now see how it works. I go now to this list of forms again, the new dashboard, and now I want to see the dashboard. Right, it looks exactly the same as it used to, But now let's see how our implemented interactivity works. So if I now press September, as you can see, it narrows down the list of incoming documents to here on the list, and also it narrows the chart of incoming by the department. Now if I pick the marketing department, then it drills through all the data, and I only got these 2 documents of incoming letters which are actually from September and are applying to the marketing department. So this is how you do the interactivity. As you can see, it's very, very easy. So anybody can do it. You can learn in other tutorials. We have how to create dashboards like this and how to create charts and lists. But for this particular one, it's the end. Thank you very much.